Hello everyone. So today we're gonna do another opening. We got a new pre-release set, Primary Melody, Extra Booster Set 5. This is what I've won so far in my tournament, so let's see what we get this today. Two rares, Atari and S. Not much commons there. Yep, another rares. Full and Oscar. It's a foil. Min. Yeah, first one. Ooh, grade 3 Sonata. Ooh. This is technically my third Melody card. Oh, nice. There's a rare. Oh. Oh, I got an SP. Nice. Anezka. Oh, that's when I give you all the markers. Nice. Let's see. Vol again. Oh, the Null Guard. Lin. Nice. Oh, wow, an SVR. Nice. Cannon. No Melody. That's pretty nice. So fun. Alright. Oh, another rares. That's interesting. Oh, another two rares. Another two rares. Alright. So, really good cards. Cannon. Anezka. Sonata. Min and Lin. Nice. Alright. Now, I'm not sure I'm going to buy boxes for this set next week, but I might buy a couple just for the hell of it. But this is not a set I actually really want to play. I've played in every other clans. Bermuda is probably the only ones I really haven't played, even the G era set. So we'll see. I might do another video, do another boxing, but we'll see. Alright, thank you for watching.